How can you cancel the private number on your iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing for tutorials and videos similar to this one. So of course you can open up your settings app where it will be changed, and at the bottom of the list you'll see the apps view. So you go to the apps like this and you will have the ability to scroll through all of the installed apps and essentially just find the phone, right? So you click on phone and another set of buttons and toggles and stuff, but I want you to go to the show my caller ID, and the caller ID is essentially your number or information about who's calling, and if you have that turned off, your phone number is private. So if you want to cancel that, just go to the show my caller ID. If you have like more phone numbers, like multiple SIM cards, select the one you want to change the settings for and make sure it is turned on, because when the toggle is green, meaning that the ID is shown to others, and that way your number is not private. So that is how you can cancel the private number, right? So that is the best way to do this. You should know that there are some things which could happen. Perhaps you don't see this setting right away, or it still shows as a private. And if that is the case, the best idea would be to get in touch with your carrier. Just make sure you let them know the situation, and perhaps there is something going on that only the carrier can change and set up. But that is the first step to do it on the iPhone. I hope that it helps you out and that it functions the way that I've shown you. Let me know if it did. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon.